spoilage of the milk. Okay. Now let us begin with the second point, that is primary occupation. Okay. So man carry out many activities to fulfill our needs. We have many occupations. We have many occupations, industries, trades, etc. Some of these activities are directly dependent on nature. It means that the products obtained in these activities are obtained directly from nature. Cows and buffaloes are animals that we all know. We domesticated them. See in the picture A, we get milk from them. Okay. Therefore, this occupation is directly dependent on nature. Such occupations which are dependent on nature are called primary occupation. For example, husbandry, fishing, etc. Okay, what are primary occupation? Which are totally dependent on nature are called as primary occupations. Example of this primary occupation are animal husbandry, fishing, etc. Okay. Now, here is the third point, that is secondary occupation. We have studied occupation, we have studied primary occupation. Primary occupation क्या है? Totally depend on nature. For example, animal husbandry, fishing, etc. Okay, now secondary occupation. Some products obtained in primary occupations are used directly, while others are used after making some changes in them. Okay, the milk are directly some products obtained in primary occupations are used directly, while others are used after making some changes in them. The milk is being processed after bringing it to the dairy. That is, the product obtained from nature is processed and made into different products. These products are more durable. Okay, these products are more durable. Why? Due to making of different products from milk. Okay, so these products are more durable. Occupations totally depend on primary occupations are called secondary occupations. सबसे पहले हमने क्या देखा? प्राइमरी ऑक्यूपेशन. प्राइमरी ऑक्यूपेशन कहाँ से? सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे वी कैन एज्यूम दैट सबसे पहले गाय आती है. ओके, देन it is a primary occupation. Then second one, secondary occupation. So with the help of milk, different products are obtained, like ghee. ये क्या होता है? ये second occupation. First क्या होता है? Milk. Then second क्या होता है? उससे दूध से क्या बनता है? Different variety of products. Okay, now occupation depends on what? Primary occupations are called secondary occupation. Cleared? Okay, so their quality has enhanced too, and therefore their price is also higher. जब भी जो चीजें बनती है ना, तो फिर उसकी प्राइसेस भी हायर होती है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन टेक श्रीखंड, butter, cheese and milk powder are processed from milk. Okay, this processing is an industrial activity. Okay, अलग अलग इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया में अलग अलग इंडस्ट्रीज में ये सारी चीजें बनती है. इंडस्ट्रीज आर बेस्ड ऑन raw material. Okay, more durable goods, okay, are produced in an industry. The raw material supplied to the industries is often obtained from nature, that is from primary occupations. Occupations, it's totally depend on this occupation is depend on primary occupation, so it is known as secondary occupation. Okay, cleared? Now, third one is tertiary occupation. Okay, tertiary. Now, look at the picture C, D, F. Okay, you will see milk collection and sale of milk. Okay, and we can also see transport of milk and sale of the milk products respectively. Okay, all these activities are related to the products of primary as well as secondary occupations. Okay, many a times these occupations provide complementary service to the other two occupations. Other two occupations बोलेगा तो primary and secondary. Okay, ये दोनों को मिला के tertiary occupation होता है. Okay, such occupations are called tertiary occupation. These occupation are complementary to all other occupation. These occupation are also called as service occupation. Okay, this includes, for example, we can take transport of goods, loading and unloading of goods, and sale of the goods, etc. are some of the example of what? Tertiary occupation. Cleared? First, what we have seen, primary occupation, which we are getting from nature. That is, for example, animal husbandry, fishing, etc. Okay, and in the secondary occupation, what we have seen, it is depend on primary. Primary se depend hota hai. Okay, for example, we have seen different milk products. Yes or no? And third one is, yes, tertiary occupation. Okay, it is the combined mixture of primary as well as secondary. For example, transport, loading, unloading. These are the some of the examples of this tertiary occupation. Okay. Now, fourth one is quaternary occupation. Okay. Now look at the picture E. Here you can see a person is testing the prepared milk product. Okay. वो क्या कर रहा है person? He is testing the quality of the products. Okay. This person is testing the quality of the product. To do this work, the person must have some special skills. Okay. This is also a type of the service, but this service is not an ordinary one. Okay, ये जो है service, ये ordinary one नहीं है. Okay, it required special expertise and therefore such service are called quaternary occupation. Okay, for example, not all the service are directly related to the primary or secondary occupation. For example, those of a driver, knife grinder, policeman, the postal service, etc. Okay, for example, we can take quality testing inspection, then maintenance of machinery in factory. We can take this some few examples of quaternary occupation. Quaternary occupation क्या है? Service. It is a type of service, yes or no? Yes. Okay. So for example, we can take quality testing inspection. Okay, you can see in the image itself. That's why I have taken this example for you. मतलब याद भी रहेगा आपको with the help of this image. Okay. So one of the example is quality testing inspection, and second you can take maintenance of machinery in factory. Okay, जो machinery maintenance करता है, we can also take that example for this quaternary occupation. Okay, special skills are required. Okay, now, yeah, students, now think and we will discuss. Okay, Yes, students, what do you see in this picture? Yes. Come on, fast. Give me response in the chat box. Yes. Yes. Just a minute. Okay. These are the few examples of